Welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Test of Oral Past Question. Question number 39 says we should look out for the word or option that takes the stress of this given word, and the given word is pronounced as calculation. Calculation. So it is also a four syllabic word. Syllabic word. So we have four syllables in this. So in option A, letter CAL is capitalized, telling us that should find out if the stress actually fall on the first syllable. Then in option B, K is a capital letter, telling us that if the stress actually fall on the second syllable. Then LA is also in capital letter, which is LA. It's in capital letter, which means that the stress fall on the third syllable. Then shun is also a capital letter, telling us that the stress actually fall on the fourth syllable. So by pronunciation, calculation, you find out that the initial is at minimum level, which is the normal level of word production. Then when we get to Ku, we find out there's a little rise in it. And then when we now get to Le, find out there's a rise, and the esophagus biologically tells us the position of stress, because it is the biological means of testing stress or word stress. So it became very thick, or is thicker than the second syllable. Then when we now pronounce the show, we find out that it fell, so it returned to its minimal level. So by this analysis, late takes the stress. Then option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.